Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg Audi A6 Avant. Now this is the 2-litre TDI Ultra S line, so you get the sportier body styling, the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, flared side skirts. You're riding on a lovely 18-inch alloy wheel, which I'll show you through to in just a moment. All four wheels are in lovely order. Now the car itself is finished in this stunning Matador red metallic paintwork, which I think suits the car very well, especially against all the bright silver detailing on the window surrounds, within the centre grille, on your roof bars. But this is a lovely car. So this is just a one owner car from new, supplied with a full Audi main dealer service history. Fantastic specification. So looking round it, we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got the headlamp wash for those as well, front and rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, as I mentioned, are in fantastic order, all four riding on very nice tyres as well. We've got privacy glass to the rear. Coming through to the back, electric tailgate as you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. You've got the Ultra badging as well. And then in the back, everything is present. So we've got the parcel shelf there, which you can fully adjust. You've got the levers for the split folding rear seats, lighting. You've got railings in the bottom there as well, so if you want to secure something in the back, you can do. Under here, you'll find a bit of added storage, as well as your tyre inflation, or your space saver spur wheel, sorry. That's a nice thing to have. Most of these wheels don't come with space saver spur wheels anymore. It's normally the tyre inflation kits, but the bodywork on this car is fantastic. So having looked down the side of the cars, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Paintwork seems to be in nice order. Inside is a very nice smooth leather sports seat, S-line embossed, nice black stitching all throughout, nice pattern down the centre. Now these are fully electric heated front seats. We'll just quickly jump inside. Inside it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any sort of pets. Now this vehicle is supplied with both keys, so all you do is dip the clutch in, press the starter button, and it rumbles into action straight away. But the fit and finish of these Audis are fantastic. So inside, only premium materials have been used. We've got Alcantara on the door cards, we've got brushed aluminium detailing, bright silver inserts, part perforated sporty steering wheel. Everything feels premium in the hand. Even all these sort of knurled knobs, everything feels superb. So inside we've got two-way driver's memory sport seats, so you can be driver one, your partner can be driver two. Press of a button and that will fully adjust the seat to exactly the way you want it. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the individual child locks for the rear. You've got automatic lights, full multifunction steering wheel with your voice command, volume, media controls. Then behind that you'll find your driving controls, your indicators as well. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 42,529 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the center display, the screens are quite smart on these, so obviously you can hide them away into the dashboard. As soon as you start the car up, they pop out like so. On there you'll find your full DAB radio with all the extended channels. You've got your media on there as well, full satellite navigation, which is very responsive, nice and easy to use. Telephone, obviously as you'd expect on a vehicle like this. And then pressing through to the main menu, you'll find all of the additional information. So we've got our car there, you've got tone, so you can adjust the bass, the treble, radio, media, navigation, and vehicle info as well. So you've got all your live data on there. Coming down, you'll find your dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, 6-speed manual transmission. You've got the shortcuts for your radio, you've got your electric parking brake, auto hold, all your volume and media controls, center scroll wheel for the display, and then all the buttons around it. Central cup holders, central armrest in fantastic order. Now this is fully adjustable as well. In there you'll find your Audi MMI, which is your multimedia interface, 12 volt power outlet, and then just quickly we'll just spin through to the rear seats. So as you can tell, those are in lovely order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, nice central armrest, and then back here also, I'll just show you through to the back. So when you jump into the back here, you'll notice the backs of the front seats, they're in nice condition. You've got the zone climate controls in the back as well, 12 volt power outlet, so you can charge your phones as you're driving along. But a fantastic looking car. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you'd like some more images, a personalised video, if you like some finance quotes, a part exchange price, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now if you are looking to travel the distance, please do get in touch. Have a look at our reviews, have a look at our Facebook. You'll see people who've travelled the distance to collect vehicles from us. On Auto Trader, we're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers, so that'll give you some reassurance. But thank you for watching the video. Anything further, please do get in touch, but thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.